Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today I just wanted to share with you my newest acquisition, which is this, the Omega Speedmaster Mark 40, also known as the Triple Date. And the name comes from the complication, because as you can see, this watch displays the date, the day of the week, and the month. It also has a 12-hour chronograph, where the big seconds hand is the running seconds hand of the chronograph. You have the 30-minute counter at 12 o'clock and 12-hour counter at 6 o'clock. Over at 9, you have actually two hands. One is the running seconds of the main time, and the other one is the 24-hour indicator, so you know whether the watch is showing AM or PM. So this is one of the most complicated, if not the most complicated, Speedmasters. And it's powered by the Omega 1151, which is derived from the Valjoux 7751. I bought this to treat myself and reward my hard work in a way, because for the past year I've been recording, editing, and uploading videos twice a week, and sometimes even 3 times a week, resulting in more than 100 videos, like I said, recorded, edited, and published last year alone. And that does require a lot of hard work, so I really felt like I deserve something to treat myself. And I chose this. Whenever a watch person actually buys an Omega Speedmaster, there is only one question that the other watch people are going to ask him, and that is, why didn't you go for the professional, the real deal? Well, from this watch and from this shot, you can actually see why, and the reason is the size. You see, the Speedmaster Professional is kind of too much for my wrist. Not the watch itself, because the watch itself, the Professional, is 42 in diameter with a lug-to-lug of 48, which would be okay. But it also features these T-shaped end links, just like this one, that increase the lug-to-lug to 54, which is too much for my wrist. This, on the ot hand, is 39 millimeters by 44.5, and with the T-shaped end links, it stretches to 51, which I believe looks great on my wrist. And I do believe that this watch is the perfect size when it comes to a sports chronograph. Now, the watch itself, and that is the first reason why I chose it, so the size. The second reason is that this was actually the first Speedmaster I ever saw, and it was like 13 or 14 years ago at my watchmaker. I was walking in and he had one in for service, and I was just amazed at the level of complication and the look of the thing, because I really love the Speedmaster style, but also appreciate all the little things that they put in. I mean, it seems like it's a lot, like it's overwhelming with the functions and like it's cluttered. But sometimes I like these kind of watches. It reminds me like, it looks like a mechanical Citizen Nighthawk, not Nighthawk, Skyhawk, and I really love that. Now that was the second reason. The third reason is the pure value. Because of the popularity of the Moonwatch, of the Professional, these can be had for pretty good price, especially compared to the Moonwatch. And you do get a Speedmaster that has a lot of functions. Like I said, the chronograph, the full calendar, and the movement also features hacking and hand winding. And it's also automatic. Beyond that, the watch is actually very well built. It comes with a sapphire crystal, with a solid link bracelet with solid end links, and it has a clasp that I personally like the look of, but many people hate it because of the sliding mechanism. But once you learn how to put it on, it's actually very simple. And once you close it, I actually prefer this type of clasp to the modern ones that Omega uses, with that just straight piece of metal. With this, it's kind of hidden, and I really like it. So all in all, a very, very well executed watch that, thanks to its size and the current bang for buck or value, I believe is a great purchase. Now, I'm really happy for it. I've been wearing it for, I'm happy about it. I've been wearing it for about a week, and I really love the look of it. One thing that I noticed that isn't really that visible on the shots, and truly it's not really visible here, is that the watch also has the asymmetrical case, just like the Professional. So this side is actually smaller than this one. This one bulges out to hide, to protect the buttons and the crown. It's not really visible like this, but when you look at it from far away and on your wrist, you actually notice it. Anyways, I will be doing a full review of this, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye.